number 42 underway as the human players on the Red Alliance shooting from the outpost, 67-72. Amaris Manare scoring with their bot, and so is Ignite Robotics as the Blue Alliance racking up the points here in Autonomous as they've already reached 30 points to the Red Alliance's 10. Make that 29. All right, now we're into the transition period. We have 10 seconds between this and when the scoring advantage time frames take place. 10 seconds now, they're still scoring. It's 29-23 as the Blue Alliance gives up the advantage. They scored more points in Autonomous, so they will have the last opportunity before the end game to score is 67-72. Collecting the bots, the Red Alliance trying to score now. They're going to try to get their fuel cells over into their Alliance zone. They can only score from their Alliance zone as 74-51 of Avenger Robotics unload the barrage into their hub. Now we see 68-29, 41-88. Lobbing a bunch in there. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that. They just keep going. They keep going. They keep going. And there's one from the outpost just came in as now they've charged their hub at 106 points to the Reds 38. They're continuing to score as they have 2 seconds left in that advantage period. Now the Red Alliance, 74-51 of Avenger Robotics. Bam, bing, bing, bam. There we go. A couple more in there. It's 55-128 as two more are launched by 74-51. It's 133-57 with 10 seconds left. There goes some more fuel cells into the hub for the Red Alliance. Remember, they can only score points when their hub is lit up in the center of the field. As now we transition over, the Blue Alliance going to score at will as both robots, 68-29 Ignite and Columbus Space Program, launching their fuel cells into the hub in the middle. They've already charged it up, getting that additional ranking point. They're working towards that supercharged hub at 360 points. We're at 173 for the blue and 68 for the red as we're 2 seconds before the end game. Now we're in the end game with both alliances hubs lit up, and here comes the fuel cells flying all over the field. They're worth 1 point apiece as they continue to lob them in. Will we see 200 by the Blue Alliance this time? They got 16 seconds left to go. They're at 192 right now. The Red Alliance trying to get 100, and they're at 94. They're trying to get that ranking point as well. They still got 9 seconds left to go. They're at 97, 98, 99. They're trying to get that 100. They've reached that 100 and charge their point as Blue passes 200 on the score. That was match number 42 of what will be a total of 58 qualifying matches today. We're going to wait for the prehistoric F1 Rockmobile to take off and leave that paint stripe behind, indicating who was victorious in that match. All right, here we go. He's got his foot primed and ready to go. There we go, the Blue Alliance victorious in that match with a score of 216 to 102. 216 to 102. So far in Peachtree, our high score is 511, with the high score in the Columbus event being 310. Will we be able to break that 511 score? We might before the day's over with. Just keep an eye on what happens.